Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to draw a wreath of poppies for Remembrance Day. Let's hope you can join me and remember the fallen soldiers. Let's start with a circle, and I'm doing a technique where I do multiple lines. Now that's going to be the center of where I'm going to put my poppies. You might want to draw another smaller circle inside, and I'm drawing light with a pencil so I can rub it out. Multiple lines, and then you can choose which one's your best for the circle. So if I rub out this part here, this one's a bit wide there. The other option is you can find something to trace around. I can then start with my poppies. With this one, I'm going to draw some simple poppies, and remember this is going to be the center line of my poppy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little central point on there. And then I'm going to bring out the middle parts of each of those. And now the poppy is going to be a shape like this. One, almost like a love heart onto each corner. So it comes out, in line with that, and then back in. So out each side like this, and then back in like so. There's one poppy. Leave a little bit of a gap. Let's go again. The four middle parts. Now it comes out, in, out, and then back. And we're just going to repeat that process for each of our poppies. And if they're slightly different sizes, that's okay. I'm going to pop one over here. Once you've gone around the whole circle, you can see that some of mine are a bit bigger over this side. That's okay. We can put in some leaves. So we might just put some leaves in between them, just to show some leaves. We might even put some leaves coming out like this. Some veins on the leaves. This helps sort of make it look like they're connecting together as a wreath. There you go. Then you just keep filling up the gaps between the two with some leaves, with some veins on the leaves. Put a few extra leaves coming out in the sides if you want to add a bit more interest. You want to bring some the other way. Fill in any gaps.